Some of the things that have kept me in the construction industry for so long are the challenges that can be thrown up by different jobs and different work sites. No 2 days are the same. You're learning new skills all the time. And this line of work that I've embarked on has took me to every county in the country. It's also taken me abroad, seen different sites. You're always working outside. You also get a good sense of camaraderie from the people that you work with. You remember you spend 9 to 10 hours a day with the people you work with, which is often more than your own families. So there's a strong sense of camaraderie within the industry.
You're going to come with different scenarios on a daily basis. Even though you do the same thing every day, sometimes you will have different scenarios. Like in my case, we build houses. So we build 100+ houses throughout the life cycle of the project. But every house will have a different scenario, different issues that you're going to have to solve. So that's my favorite thing.
Oh, I'd guess I'm probably a good 20+ years in the construction industry. Well, I think like any career, you must have an interest in what you do, and you must like what you do. I mean, I love my job, both summer and winter. I love just getting up in the morning and facing a day's work and pre-planning the day ahead. As I say, both summer and winter, the bad weather in the winter doesn't faze me. If you love what you do, well then it's not an issue. As I say, I just like to pre-plan my day. I like to know what I'm doing, and most importantly, I like to be kept busy. Busy, busy, busy. The day goes on quick. Before you know it, you're going home.
Do not be afraid to join another venture, of the unknown. A lot of people have this taboo where they believe that construction is for uneducated people, or that is like there is nothing out there for it. But I think that's wrong. It's an industry with a lot of great opportunities. At first I joined the industry because I needed a source of income, but I soon realized that I could turn it into a career.
If you're considering a career in construction, there's good money to be earned and good salaries to be acquired. So no matter, even if you start off at a labourer's role, you'll soon enough become a skilled worker, which then gives you a pay increase. With more responsibility and more workload gives you also salary increases as well. All the time you're upskilling yourself and taking on then more roles on site, so too will your salary rise.